Imagine stepping into the world of 2125. A century of technological marvels and environmental challenges has reshaped our planet. Gleaming megacities stretch towards the sky, their structures alive with bioluminescent algae that purify the air. Quantum computers, now as common as smartphones, process vast amounts of data in milliseconds. Transportation has been revolutionized by personal gravity-defying pods that zip silently through the air, guided by AI traffic systems. But it's not just the cities that have changed. Vast swathes of rewilded land teem with genetically restored species, while automated drones tend to crops in vertical farms. The oceans, once threatened by pollution, now host thriving ecosystems thanks to marine nanobots that continuously clean and monitor the waters. Human longevity has increased dramatically, with the average lifespan now exceeding 120 years. Augmented reality is seamlessly integrated into daily life, with neural implants providing instant access to the global information network. Climate change remains a challenge, but advanced geoengineering projects have stabilized weather patterns and sea levels. Space elevators dot the equator, ferrying people and resources to orbiting habitats and beyond. As we look to the stars, humanity stands on the brink of becoming a true multi-planetary species. Welcome to Earth 2125, a world of wonder, innovation, and hope.